Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of On Trail. We're still in Sedona, Arizona. Oh, it's colder than it was yesterday, and we expect to get muddy again, but hey, that's part of the fun. Hopefully we'll not have camera malfunction today. One can only hope. But yeah, other than that, not much we could say. Hopefully not get rained on. We could beat the rain as well. So enough jibber jabber. What do we always say at this point? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Whoa, God damn it. All right, my friends, if you've made it this far, God bless you. I definitely appreciate the support. Hit the like, subscribe, the bell notification icon so you don't miss a single adventure. Whoa. All right, in case you're wondering, my friends, we've started down there. The trail's over there somewhere. And it's slowly wrapped around to where we're at right now. Hot damn, I love Sedona. All right, my friends, if you've made it this far, once again, I want to give you a big thank you for supporting the channel. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon. It helps out the channel and it helps out the video immensely. Really? That one was almost bad. Really bad. All right, my friends. We're gonna end the video here and do a part 2, about halfway through. Getting ready to start bottom out, which is the Black Diamond Trail. Just the name alone sounds interesting. So as you see the junction coming up here, like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. We can't thank you enough for all your support. Follow us on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. It's the devil's work, but it's necessary to get the word out about Get Out Arizona. And the other links down below are affiliate links. Follow a link, make a purchase. We receive a small commission. You do not receive any additional costs. And it's a great way to help us out with park passes, gas money, and coffee money. The other trifecta we love so much at Get Out Arizona. So my friends, as we get ready to start this, what I'm sure will be a fun downhill, what do we always say at this point? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure.